So my name's Aaron, and so I've started the week. I've just been sort of researching for the past couple of years. I saw the £1 course, went on that, thought, well, it actually looks quite interesting. So I signed up for this course, and I've come here, and then I've now signed up for the academy because there's a lot of backbone behind it, and there's reassurance. So the 2 years that I've done my research for, I've learned a lot, but everything's here. You can pick everyone's brains. It's just really good. So.
What's it been like learning in person?
Oh yeah, no, yeah, it's really interesting. I mean, it's fun and interesting, and there's like-minded people, so it's really good. I'm glad I signed up.
And would you recommend something like this to someone who's looking to get into it?
Oh yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Anyone like me who sort of wants to get into it and has been looking but don't know where to go, this is definitely the way to go.
And have you seen like deals being made this week?
I have. I've seen lots of people who's found deals, and I've found my own deal. So yeah, it's definitely worth it.